Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for turning in today. Hey, I just wanted to share with you real quick the January 2022 Kiwi Club Kit. This one's called Sky's the Limit, and it has some really fun templates in it, and I really love some of these papers. I already downloaded the Ideas to Inspire, and there were lots of fun, inspiring things to look at in here to kind of get you going. Remember, I always include a link to this in the description of the video if you haven't taken the time to grab that yet. So you're welcome to go do that. You do not have to be a Kiwi Club member to have access to the Ideas to Inspire. You just, you need a Kiwi Lane account. So if you haven't done that yet, go in, set up an account. When you get the idea books, they're free. You just add them to your cart. And when they, then it's available under my account and then under downloads, and then those will be there forever. So just a good way to have some extra ideas at your hands. So I print mine every month, and when I'm done using up the kit, I toss it personally because I could always access it digitally later. So alrighty, so here we go. The Sky's the Limit. Again, super cute. These colors right away speak to me. So here's the cover sheet. Kind of gives you an idea of what's inside, all the papers. And then these are some of the templates that are going to be featured a lot in the idea book. And so they call those out just in case you want to get a hold of those if you don't have them yet. And then this little hot air balloon a la carte. So I say, let's look at the paper first. These are so cute. It says, daring, sky's the limit, follow your dreams, what a view, up, up and away. All kinds of really fun sayings on that, and the colors are great. The back side's really neutral. It's kind of a cream with a white design on it. Then we've got these hot air balloons. Fun. The back side of that is just kind of red with different size dots on it. Look at these kites. So bright and cheerful. Love those. And then just a yellow, lots of different size triangles on there. We've got this cloud paper. It's kind of a light teal kind of a background with all different kinds of clouds on it. And then blue. And a geometric design on the back. This is fun too. I love that pattern. Lots of great colors, the dots and the scallops. Back is a green with kind of little sunbursts on it. This one's a deep blue, like a navy blue background, and it's got all these little pluses all over it. Back side is orange. Okay, are we into the backgrounds? Yep, there we are. Okay, so we've got two kind of cream colored backgrounds with a design, or a medium blue with a little bit of a grid. Then we've got a light blue that's kind of got a teal design on it. You flip that over and it's kind of a cream color. Or we have a yellow, kind of a yellowy orange color, and the back side is a little deeper blue with kind of a teal kind of hash mark design on it. So lots of good choices for paper this month. I love how everything coordinates. That is probably one of my favorite things about Kiwi Club, is being able to open up a pack of paper. There's a really great balance between the busy, bold designs and then some supporting designs that are much more subtle, so I don't have to go searching and trying to figure out exactly what I want. So alrighty, let's take a look at the cards. Always a great addition for supplementing and adding to your pages, doing some extra little detail work. So biggies first, we've got 4x6s here. Let your dreams take flight. This one is going to go well with one of the templates, and I'll show you that in a second, but we've got soar, high, view, wish, hope, and then free. Back says daring, adjective, bold or courageous, fearless or intrepid, adventurous. And then some old-fashioned things like fresh air and sunshine are hard to beat. Okay, so I'll keep this one kind of here so that we make sure that we revisit it with that template that I was talking about. Then we've got 4x4s. It's the little things that make life big. Up, up, and away. I'm guessing you'd put the balloon on that, don't you think? And then away we go. Fun. Together we will touch the sky. What's up? You were made to soar. Beautiful day. Just a little journaling card. And then you're all sorts of awesome. And again, if you have not taken the time to check these out, this is the back side. Look at all those fun colors and patterns just right there with the backs if you are not somebody who likes to get into the sentiments. But I definitely am, and I love to play with the templates. So I'm going to pull out this mat just because I know sometimes it's helpful to see the sizes on things when you're trying to decide if you want to go in and add this particular month's club to your cart and do a little purchase. So remember, you can join and do the club every month, or you can pay a little bit extra and go in and take advantage of the overstock as long as there's some available. So first what I want to show you is this big diamond. So if you just did this straight up and down, it is, let's see, about almost 9 inches, right about 9 inches tall. And then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 inches wide at its widest point. Okay, so very cool, great size for putting a photo in there. I love it. This one will nest right inside of it. This is Fly High 5. So for this one, size-wise, we're looking at about just a tiny bit more than 6 inches tall, maybe 6 1/4. And then this little guy is about 3 1/2 inches wide. Okay. Then we've got the little diamond that fits right in the center of these. It is about almost 3 1/2 inches tall and about 2 inches wide. Okay, so really fun nesting set there. We've got this great balloon. Okay, so this one's is definitely larger than the a la carte balloon that we have. Let's put this over here. It's about 4 1/2 inches tall and about 3 1/2 inches wide. So super sweet. Love that balloon and all the detail on it. We've got a template for a paper airplane. Okay, so this one is a little one. This is about 1 3/4 inches wide and about 1 1/2 inches tall. And then there's this fun little kind of a scallopy banner. Okay, so a little different than some of the banner designs we already have, but look at how neat that's going to work right on top of these. So there's your opportunity to use these with that accompanying template to make a cute little design for a card, for a corner of a layout, going over the corner of a photo. So many different things that you can do with this. And then this balloon fits really nicely on so many of the sentiment cards this month that you could have a lot of fun between this one and then the little smaller a la carte, creating some really fun themed pages. So Hopefully that gives you a good picture at everything included in this month's kit. If you have any questions, always reach out to me via the comments in YouTube, or check out my Facebook group called Kiwi Lane Designs by Tammi. I'd love to see you on there. And hopefully I'll see you on my channel again soon. I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.